this is the Jack of Spades, and today we are going to find out what happens when you shoot an airsoft gun at a smartphone. Now, this is just an old phone that I had a few years ago, just an old $50 LG track phone. So we'll be shooting it today with the LTX3 gas blowback pistol, and then we'll be shooting it with the SPR Interceptor Gen 2 by Lancer Tactical, then the Matrix L96 AWS sniper rifle. We'll be shooting the phone from different distances. I'll show you guys the setup quick, and yeah, we'll see what happens. So we're setting the phone right here, about 50 feet away from the table. So first we'll be doing the pistol from about 15 feet, and then we'll test it at 25 feet. And as we back up to the table, 50 feet, we'll use the AEG and the sniper rifle, and then to finish off, we'll do the sniper rifle at 100 feet. Now I have my little recording set up over here with my phone. We use a slow-mo mode on there. I'm not a rich YouTuber, so I don't have any of those fancy equipment. Using this mannequin to protect my phone just in case a stray bullet happens. And so yeah, let's see what happens. Gas-powered pistol, 15 feet. Wow, that did quite a bit of damage. Wow, that's insane. Let's take a look at the slow-mo video. Now, surprisingly, the screen protector actually did protect the phone on this shot right here. It didn't right here or here, but on this shot, higher up and more center of the phone, the screen protector did its job. I don't even remember where I got the screen protector. I think I got it off Amazon or something. But yeah, that's interesting. All right, now we're doing pistol around 25 feet. That bounced really far off. The screen protector had no chance there. That went right through. Even 25 feet, it is interesting that at 15 feet, that did the job. The screen protector did its job. But after even 25 feet, dog, after 25 feet, just some direct shots. Wow, okay. On to the AEG at 50 feet. All right, SPR Interceptor, it has an FPS of around up to 390 is the max. I've done a few upgrades on it, but not a whole lot. So now we'll see what happens here. All right, let's see the damage. Now, surprisingly, the screen protector did a pretty good job on these two hits right here. I wonder, since there's a little bit of separation between the screen protector and the phone because I taped it on, if that's one reason why. Up here, obviously, you have a good spiderweb shatter. But for the most part, with the AEG, shooting about 50 feet, the screen protector did a pretty good job. Now, obviously, there's a lot of damage on the edge here, which seems like a theme going on. If it's near the edge, it's easier to break. But I took 2 direct hits with the screen protector. Now, we're moving on to the sniper rifle. Now we have the L96 Matrix bolt action spring sniper rifle. Let's see how the phone fares. Solid hit there. Hit twice there. Hit the fourth time. All right. Looks like the screen protector did not stand a chance there. Yeah, just didn't stand a chance here either. Wow, as expected, it's not too surprising. Sniper rifle at 50 feet. Put some good damage onto the phone. Now we're gonna try 100 feet, and I am expecting somewhat similar results. Let's see how long it takes me to actually hit a shot from there. All right, this is from 100 feet. I apologize in advance for not having a scope cam. There we go. Solid hit. Take off the screen protector. Here, and here are the sniper rifle shots. Not a whole lot of damage, kind of minimal damage, not too bad. Still, out of all the shots, pistol, gas-powered pistol at 25 feet did the most damage. So wow, that was interesting. If you guys want me to do more videos like this, please comment down below. I will leave a link for all the guns that I used in this video. Comment below also if I should release a short of me just completely destroying this phone, and comment how I should do so. Anyways, thanks again for watching, everyone. Jack of Spades going out.